Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. So today is actually March 30th and I ordered the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette yesterday, so I don't know how long it's going to take to get to me, but I really love blue eyeshadows. So what I thought I would do today is some blue eyeshadows using the BH Cosmetics Aquarius palette and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Now there are some like 3 aquamarine shades and like 3 navy shades and 1 like purplish blue shade in here, and then of course at least half this palette is blue. So I'm going to be going back and forth in between the 2 palettes to create kind of like a cohesive looking blue eyeshadow look. So, or at least I'm going to try. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I think I'm going to start with this shade right here, which is the 3rd one from the very end. And I'm going to work that into my crease. Now I already have my base products on. Now I have a combination of 2 shades on my cheek for highlight. I have the City Color Stellar highlighter in Nebula, and then on top of that I have the center shade from here. So if you're wondering what the blue highlight is, that's what that is. It's a combination. This is a cream product, that's a powder. So it depends on how intense you want it. If you want to just wear that one alone, it's fine, but if you want it to like really stand out, put the center shade on over it. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And I'm going in real light-handed. I want to try and keep like a C shape on my eye.
You are about to hear is by Grant Duncan. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I will be leaving the title of the song on the screen for you and information for his YouTube channel and where to check out his music in the description box.
Sympathize with your point of view.
Now I'm going to go in with this Morphe M560 brush. I'm going to go into like this bluish purple shade right here. I'm going to work that on the outer edge. Now I'm going to take my Miravona shader brush and pack that shadow on in the area that I had already designed out.
Nothing in what we really need to yield. And I know.
Now with another brush, I'm going to come into this like 3rd shade in on this palette and work that on the center of my lid. And just kind of tap over where the other blue is to kind of merge the 2 together, and then run it under my eye.
Well, I know it's hard to deal with the situation when it's out of your control. I know, well, I know it's hard to justify the recognition when it's not without the goal.
this inside undone for a reason. I'm gonna mix these two blues here. I didn't pull. Oh, brush. I'm gonna go ahead and get this flat synthetic shader brush wet. And you don't have to get these wet. These are just so much more rich and metallic when you do get them wet.
Here's what I buy. Doesn't seem to get any easier. Trying to understand why you say.
Okay, now I'm going to come in with this like first shade, which is like a gunmetal color. And I'm going to come back with that packing brush that I used before. I run it through my Verimona, my color switch real quick. So I'm going to put this on dry. And yes, I covered the entire center shade and I merged the lighter shade on the inner corner to this one. So it kind of looks like it's a light shade that's like blended into the darker shade. Kind of like they're friends. And I'm going to take this second shade in here with my finger. Yeah, it's a shimmer. And then tap it. On the outer edge. And I'm picking up very little at a time. And I do have some fallout, but I will wait to get that off in just a second. That's what this is for. Now I'm going to take the center shade. I'm going to take the brush that I used for the middle and just clean it off really quick. Or the place. And then I'm going to take the center shade I know that's a bit much, but I honestly don't care. Because that's what I had planned to do, was blend it. Blend it down. Okay, so I think that's going to do it for the eyeshadow. I don't have a blue liner out for March's Shop My Stash, so let me pull a navy blue eyeliner really quick and I will be right back to do liner eyelashes. Oh, here's what we're looking like.
Hey guys, so for whatever reason, the last like 2 or 3 minutes of my video, which is basically me putting on mascara and waterline liner, got corrupted somehow. I I am using a brand new camera. I moved the files off of my thumb drive or my SIM card onto my computer, and the computer, for whatever reason, corrupted it. So I'm showing you some pictures of the finished look. I had to convert those as well. What I ended up doing was use a navy blue liner on my upper waterline and about 3/4 the way in on my bottom waterline, and then I used like a sky blue matte liner on the inner third of my water line on the bottom, and then I am using the Target Splash paint in black. That just finished off the look. Hopefully you guys like this take on my blue shadows. I did find a few single blue shadows going through my collection to see what all I had to do a makeup inventory, and so I do have a few more blue shadows in this, but looking through my palettes, I have very, very few blue eyeshadows. So I'm wearing most of them on my eyes right now. I cannot wait to get the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette in the mail. It has not shipped yet. I am editing this on April 1st, so we'll see. I recorded it on the 30th, so it's been a few days since I placed the order, so hopefully I'll get a shipping notification soon, and then I will do swatches and looks with that palette. And I'm going to compare my blue shades to see if I have anything in my collection now that is similar to the Jeffree Star palette. Most likely I will not. So I'm just excited to get it. It'll be my very first Jeffree Star item and my very first technical like high-end eyeshadow palette as well. So hopefully you enjoy this blue look and the pictures afterwards. Again, sorry that the last couple minutes of the video where I had stopped recording long enough to grab the eyeliners and recorded the ending of it and my outro, and well, needless to say, my file will not load into my video editor. I still have the file, it's just corrupted. So I have tried to recover it, it won't recover, and so it is what it is. So hopefully you guys like this. If you do, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and feel free to subscribe if you're not already. I do try and post videos every day at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And check out my other channel for all hair related videos and just miscellaneous videos. I will leave that linked down in the description box as well. Have a great day or night wherever you are. I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.